Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Razan Aiman Nadir with student number is 211319106 2. My study program is Informatic Engineering from University of Sanggabuana, Bandung. At this moment, I will to review international journal. The title is Development of Integrated Zakat Infaq and Shadaqoh Information System Evidence in Amil Zakat Institution. This journal I got from JTATR Journal of Finance and Banking Review homepage. Okay, next to introduction. Zakat, Infaq, and Sadaqah from the community are views that have the potential to be collected, but based on the following data in Figure 1 that this shows the potential for Zakat collection has still not reached the target, not yet effective. The ineffectiveness of Zakat management organizations in collecting and distributing Zakat is due to information that is not good. It's because it has not been oriented towards strengthening information system. Based on the aforementioned phenomena, the information system in Zakat Infaq Sadaqah management environment must continue to be optimized and important to be investigated because it can identify the information system at the West Java Amil Zakat Institution, or in short name is LAS, has been running well or not, and this research can determine the quality of information accounting in the form of reports produced by the Amil Zakat Institution. The contribution of this research is to provide information on the importance of developing an integrated ZIS information system for organization in the form of Amil Zakat regencies or cities in West Java so as to produce quality ZIS reports as a form of accountability from ZIS managers to the public and foster public trust in leaving Zakat funds to the LAS organization. This research was conducted through a survey on a selected sample so that the variables raised can be answered and overcome the phenomena that occur. Now is the slide to literature review and framework. First, I will to describe literature review. Information system according to Simkin et al. In 2013 said that the information system is a collection of data and processing that produce the information needed for its users. Furthermore, Stair and Reynolds in 2010, 57, and Ahmad et al. 2013, and Al-Zubi et al. 2011 sets that quality information system generally meets criteria such as flexible, efficient, accessible, and timely. Furthermore, Loudon and Loudon in 2014 580 add that quality information system combine technical efficiency with sensitivity to organizational and human needs, leading to higher satisfaction and productivity. By Sri Dewi Anggadini 2017 and Chen 2011. 3.5G technology are also called Super 3G is an increase of 3G technology, especially in data transfer speeds that are more than 3G technology, 2 Mbps, so that it can serve multimedia communication such as internet access and video sharing by Botich et al. 208. Next to framework that Bodner and Hopwood in 2014-15 states that AISS, which include the use of information technology, generate information for users. Agree with Weber in 1999 897 that the quality of information produced by an information system is influenced by the quality of the information system. Research conducted by Masclid and Gojen in 2012 that information system can be applied well in the community where the main function of information system is to produce information. By Bis et al. 2009. Next to the methodology. Data analysis in this study was conducted with two types of analysis to fit the research objectives, namely, one, descriptive analysis aims to explain the characteristics of the variables under study to support problem solving to obtain operational advice, and two, its verification analysis aims to determine the relationship between variables through testing hypothesis using structural modeling or structural equation model (PLS) to answer the problem formulation and answer the hypothesis. PLS-SEM is used because the measurement model built involves a formative measurement model and the sample size used is small, is 30 to 80. In PLS-SEM, there are two submodels, namely A. Outer model that specifies the relationship between latent variables and indicators or their manifest variables. Measurement model. The measurement model often called the outer model shows how the manifest or observed variables presents a latent variable to be measured. Outer models consist of reflective models and affirmative models. B. Inner model, which specifies the relationship between latent variable structural models. Structural models, often referred to as inner models, show the strength of estimates between latent variables or constraints. In this slide, I have two titles. Is population and sample and variable description. First, I will to explain population and sample. The population in this study is the organization of the Amil Zakat institution in West Java, as many as 27 cities or districts, namely organizations that are active in collecting Zakat, Infaq, and Shadaqoh funds. Furthermore, the sample in this study are 20 cities or regencies that have the highest and smallest amount of Zakat, Infaq, and Shadaqoh receipts. Variable description. The variable raised in this study are the dependent variable and the independent variable, which includes an independent variable is an information system that has indicator in the form of integration, flexibility, and reliability. While accounting information is the dependent variable, which means that the size of this variable depends on the independent variable. Indicators of accounting information variable are accurate, relevant, timely, and complete. For the result, in this slide, there are three tables. First table, the meaning is the recapitulation of test results validity of research instrument X. That the result of testing the validity of this questionnaire item indicate that all questions used can be declared valid to measure the dependent and independent variables. And in second table is recapitulation of test results validity of research instrument Y. That regarding the validity of variables x and y have a minimum level of validity of 0.30, so it can be said to be valid. The third table is recapitulation of research instrument reliability test results. That furthermore, the variables x and y have a minimum level of reliability of 0.70, so that it can be said to be reliable. Okay, in this slide, a peer table is SPSS model summary table that based on the test result it is known that the value of adjusted R square of 0.685 means that the variability of the variable quality of accounting information can be explained by the variability of ZIS information system variables of 68.5%, while the remaining 31.5% is explained by other variables not included in the regression model. The results obtained indicate the existence of other factors that also have a considerable influence on the quality of accounting information. Thus, the hypothesis in this study is acceptable. For conclusion, based on the previous description, it can be seen that there is an integrated ZIS information system has an impact on the quality of accounting information. The more quality information system for Zakat, Infaq, and Shadaqoh, the accounting information in the form of ZIS receipt and expenditure reports will be more qualified in terms of accuracy, effectiveness, completeness, and relevance. The existence of accounting information, in this case financial statements, will not be of quality without the information system being implemented, which means that the information system must meet the integration of one part with another. The system must be flexible. It can be needed anytime when needed. And then the system must be reliable. The system that is run is not easily damaged and always makes it easy for users who run it. Okay, that's last my presentation. Thank you for everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.